Bears are some of the most powerful and fascinating animals on Earth. They live in many different environments, from the frozen Arctic to dense mountain forests and even tropical jungles. Over millions of years, these animals have evolved incredible abilities that help them survive in some of the harshest places on the planet. Today, we're exploring every species of bear and discovering what makes each one unique. Grizzly bear. Let's start with the grizzly bear. Grizzlies are among the most powerful predators in the wilderness. A fully grown grizzly can weigh more than 300 kilograms, but despite their massive size, they are surprisingly fast. In fact, they can run close to 50 kilometers per hour. They also have an extraordinary sense of smell, allowing them to detect food from several kilometers away. These bears are famous for fishing. In northern rivers, grizzlies can often be seen catching salmon straight out of the water during seasonal migrations. When winter arrives and food becomes scarce, grizzlies enter hibernation. Their heart rate slows down and they survive for months using stored body fat. Mother grizzlies face even greater challenges, protecting their cubs from predators, harsh weather, and sometimes even other bears. Giant panda. Next, we have one of the most recognizable animals in the world, the giant panda. With its black and white fur, the panda has become a global symbol of wildlife conservation. But here's something surprising. Pandas belong to the carnivore family, yet almost their entire diet consists of bamboo. And bamboo isn't very nutritious. Because of that, pandas must spend up to 14 hours every day eating, just to survive. They live in the cool mountain forests of China, where bamboo grows in thick forests. Pandas move slowly and calmly, conserving energy as much as possible, which is why they often appear so relaxed and peaceful. If you enjoy learning about wildlife like this, make sure to subscribe for more amazing animal documentaries. Now, let's continue. Sun bear. The sun bear is the smallest bear species on Earth. These bears live in the tropical rainforests of Southeast Asia. They get their name from the bright crescent-shaped mark on their chest, which looks like a rising sun. Sun bears also have an extremely long tongue. It can reach nearly 25 centimeters. They use it to pull honey, insects, and larvae from deep inside tree trunks. Even though they are small, sun bears are incredibly strong. They are also excellent climbers and spend much of their lives high in the trees. American black bear. The American black bear is the most common bear in North America. These bears are extremely adaptable. They can live in forests, mountains, swamps, and sometimes even close to human towns. Black bears are also very intelligent. They have strong memories and they're excellent problem solvers. Their diet is very flexible. They eat berries, plants, insects, and occasionally small animals. Despite their size, black bears are usually shy. If they feel threatened, they often escape by quickly climbing a tree. Sloth bear. The sloth bear looks very different from other bears. Instead of hunting large animals, they mainly eat termites and ants. Their long snout and flexible lips allow them to suck insects out of termite mounds like a vacuum. Sloth bears mainly live in India and Sri Lanka. One of their most unique behaviors involves their cubs. Young sloth bears often ride on their mother's back as she travels through the forest. Spectacled bear. The spectacled bear is the only bear species found in South America. Its name comes from the light-colored markings around its eyes, which look like glasses. These rare bears live in the cloud forests of the Andes Mountains. Spectacled bears spend a surprising amount of time in trees. They even build small platforms made of branches, where they rest and eat. Their diet mostly consists of fruits, plants, and cactus. Moon bear. The Asiatic black bear, also known as the moon bear, has a bright crescent-shaped mark on its chest. These bears live across forests and mountains throughout Asia. Moon bears are excellent climbers. When danger appears, they often escape by climbing trees. Their diet includes fruits, nuts, insects, and sometimes small animals. Unfortunately, habitat loss and illegal wildlife trade have caused many populations to decline. Polar bear. Finally, we reach the polar bear, the largest and most powerful bear species on Earth. Polar bears are perfectly adapted for life in the Arctic. Their thick fur and deep layer of fat protect them from freezing temperatures. Their massive paws help them walk across sea ice and swim through icy water. Polar bears mainly hunt seals. They often wait patiently beside breathing holes in the ice, sometimes for hours. But today, polar bears face a serious challenge. As Arctic ice melts earlier each year, they must travel farther to find food. Bears are powerful, intelligent, and incredibly adaptable animals. Each species has evolved unique abilities that allow it to survive in its environment. From the frozen Arctic to tropical rainforests, bears play an important role in the ecosystems they live in, and that's every bear species explained. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more wildlife documentaries, because the natural world is full of incredible creatures